Stock number 40559Y. It's a 2017 Acadia. It does have a key. You can see from the front end damage, it does not start. Bumper, radiator core support. It's bent, battery's upside down. The hood's no good either. Front fender's no good. Got a dent up there. Steering wheel airbags deployed, the driver knee airbags deployed, the driver and the passenger roof airbags deployed, the driver and the passenger seat belts are locked, driver and the passenger seat airbags are deployed. It does have a key, it does not start. It does have third row seating. This is stock number 40559Y. It is a 2017 Acadia. It does have a key, it does not start.